Morning guys, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how you can add wireless Android Auto to your head unit, to your Android head unit. Now let's go and I'll show you how to do it. So today we're going to have a look and see how we can put wireless Android Auto to your Android head unit in case you don't have wireless Android Auto. This also applies for if you want to put a tablet in your car and use that as a head unit to use Android Auto. And it applies to Android head units that do not have a wireless Android Auto. As you can see right now, I'm using my S23 Ultra. Sorry if my face looks weird, I'm just trying to get a good shot here of my stereo. I'm using my S23 Ultra wirelessly, putting Android Auto on my ATOTO A6PF, which for some reason, when I got it, I thought it had wireless Android Auto, and it didn't. It only had wired Auto. And that in itself was extremely slow, clunky, and it just didn't do the job. So today I'm going to show you how you can add wireless Android Auto to your tablet that you want to put in your car or to your Android head unit. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go into the Play Store over here, and you want to look up Head Unit Reloaded. Now I've got the paid version, so you can get that wireless Android Auto for only $5, as opposed to paying $90 or $100 or $160 for a wireless Android Auto dongle. So you download that, and let me just disconnect here. Give me a second. I'll turn that off. So you download that, and then on your phone you're going to go in again to the Play Store, and you're going to download Wi-Fi Launcher. Oh, I don't have internet. Hold on a second. Let me put my hotspot back on. Okie dokie. I'll try again and go back. Wi-Fi Launcher. No. Back. Wi-Fi Launcher. You're not connected. Okay. So you're going to download Wi-Fi Launcher, and here it is. So you download that onto your phone. You download Head Unit Reloaded onto your tablet or Android head unit, and then this is what it'll look like. That's Head Unit Reloaded. Okay. In head Unit Reloaded, you go into Settings, you go into Connectivity, you tap on Wi-Fi Client Mode, will create hotspot. Then you go back. So then, once you've done all that, I'm going to need you to go into your settings of your head unit, and you're going to go into your apps, and you're going to go into Android Auto. Once you've done that, I need you to disable your Android Auto. Disable it completely. You don't need it anymore, because your head unit now will be using Android Auto from your phone. Now, once you've downloaded Wi-Fi Launcher, I'm going to need you to open it up, and we're going to go through all the motions of granting all the permissions. We're going to select your head unit or tablet that you have connected to your phone via Bluetooth. And then we're going to go here and select Wi-Fi connection mode. And again, we're going to select create Wi-Fi hotspot. Won't work on all devices. But what I did is I create Wi-Fi hotspot. Once we've done that, you're going to start Wi-Fi service manually. Now, as you can see up the top left corner, it says looking for car display. So now we're going to start service manually. You'll get a little signal up the top saying that it's connecting. Let's see if that works. If not, then we exit. We open it up again, and there you go. Wireless Android Auto. Let's switch off the flash. Wireless Android Auto for $5. If it doesn't work first time, keep trying. Make sure you disable Android Auto on your head unit, because it clashes with the phone and it just doesn't work, because the phone's trying to send Android Auto to the head unit as well, and the head unit's trying to start Android Auto. So I figured out yesterday that you basically disable Android Auto, and now you have
was among the first
Android
to
Auto
reap the benefits.
fully working.
She planned to marry a nice Osage man and settle down, but that all changed when she met Ernest.
Waze works fine.
Ernest was a handsome white
Let's have a look.
cowboy with
There you
brown
go.
hair and blue eyes.
YouTube
He
Music,
grew up poor in Texas.
Spotify.
When he was 19, he went to Osage Hills to live with his uncle, a powerful cattle rancher named William
YouTube
K.
Music,
Hill.
WhatsApp,
Ernest ran
Viber,
errands for William, and at some point started
customize,
spending time with Molly,
settings.
driving her around.
It's a bit slow,
Molly, Ernest was
but
different
well,
from other
it
guys.
works fine for me.
Beneath his rough
I'm guessing if you
exterior,
have more
he was
RAM
soft.
on your head unit, on your Android head unit, then you'll be able to run it a bit faster. But I'm extremely happy with it. Extremely happy with it.